Nowadays, marriages are in shambles. Divorce rate is very high. I believe that there is a cause to all these things. So we'll come your way and we'll share with you some of the things that we need to do in order to have a strong, successful marriages. We need to learn the principles. How do people get into marriage? How do people court? What at all is courtship? Courtship begins from the proposal of a man to a woman. Your host, Very Reverend Frederick Otson, I'm going to be with you and we'll share, we'll go through it. This is a series that will get you into having a wonderful time, bringing heaven into your marriage, making marriage heaven on earth.